Hola Tashi, Sawadee ka. Welcome back to my channel. So today, Tsering and we have a plan to go to Ikea today because we decided that it's finally time for us to start thinking about a kitchen renovation project. And many of you have probably already seen what our kitchen looks like because I do post a lot of cooking videos here on my channel, and you might have noticed that it is a little dated. It hasn't been updated for over 30 years. So ever since we moved into this place, we never really got the chance to really think about renovating the kitchen yet. So of course this will be an ongoing and a very long project, but we really want to kickstart off just thinking about what type of kitchen we might want when we do finally start on this project. So today we decided to go to Ikea just to browse around for some ideas and inspirations on what we would want to be in our dream kitchen. So yeah, having said that, let's go to Ikea. We meet again, Ikea. Okay, we're here at the first kitchen showroom. Nice color, but we don't really like the design here. It looks a little bit dated. Oh, look at the storage. This is so tall for me. Can you imagine me trying to reach that shelf up there? Ooh, the sink is really good. Do you think this sink is too big? Is this 30? I
don't know.
Oh, or whatever it was that we put into the design.
37.
Oh, that's really wide.
Yeah.
I think we said 30, which is like here.
Yeah. It's like 1.5, so it's like this big.
Yeah, that light is really nice. Actually, that's the type of light that we were looking at for our dining room a while back. Okay, let's see if there's any more showrooms for kitchens. Oh, this is really nice. I like how spacious this one looks. And the neutral color as well. Very nice. Oh, yeah. This island alone will just fill up our kitchen. Oh my god. It's a lot of things you can put in here. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this is too big. Oh, this is where you put all the pots and pans. Yeah, this one. I really like the drawers here. You can put all your pots and pans and all of your kitchen utensils in here. A lot of storage space that we need. I think we put like this type of hood into the design.
Yeah, we did.
It looks a little small now that I see it in person.
It's 30, I think.
Yeah. How much is it? $6.99?
Yeah, I'm looking at the size.
Oh. How's the suction? Ooh, cool. That's pretty bright.
Yeah.
Huh. Awesome. Oh, more storage? Oh, oh wow, they have more shelving here. Oh wow. Absolutely love the sink.
Total price
Yeah, and then like if you deduct like the fridge and stuff, it's even lower. Yeah, something like that. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. I feel like they had this unit in the design, right? Like where they have the storage up front and then the oven and the microwave and then some more storage.
Has to stay like clear like this. And like you have a bunch of bottles everywhere.
And some lighting underneath the cupboards as well, which is nice. So I really do like this layout of the kitchen as well. Very open and very spacious. We're over here in the next showroom for the kitchen, and the color combination here is a little bit darker. So we have this type of like lighter wood and this gray countertop. I actually don't like this combination as much as the other one. It looks a little bit more older. This one is ultra modern. Wow. Yeah, it does look like an office, like a communal, like a shared kitchen.
I don't think it would feel like home at all.
No, this is a little bit more too fancy for us.
Too cold. I don't know. I like that's cute. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this one is nice.
I know.
No, but this one I think is a little small though.
Yeah, it's very small.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, I really like the wood and
I like
the white combination. Yeah.
I always like it when they have microwave, oven, and space to keep.
I agree. Let's see what compartments they have here. So this is the section bedding. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. So these all drawers. Yeah, these are all drawers.
So many drawers.
More drawers, but that's good. I really like storage spaces because it kind of helps you to keep everything off the counters, you know, and then it will look nice and neat.
Yeah.
I have these. So this is a pretty big oven and the microwave. There's no way that I can ever reach that.
You and I
can you?
still have.
Yeah, we need like a stepping stool that I have anyway. Oh, this is cool. This is probably to store stuff for the ovens. I really love this type of L-shape style, but you know we can never do this in our kitchen because of the layout and all the space. So pretty.
This gas cooktop is like $500. I don't know how you're gonna, like, if you buy all these stuff, how are you gonna fit it in?
Alright, let's go and see the next one.
This is also, I don't know.
This is like a red, and yeah, it looks modern, but I don't know if the combination is working. No, I don't think it will match our current layout. What about this one? No. This one is also pretty boring looking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here now at the design station, like the kitchen design station, where you can actually design your own kitchen right here on the program that they have at Ikea, and then you can just plan out whatever you want, whatever design that you want, whatever features you want, and then after that you can choose the style of the countertops, the cupboards, the cabinets, even the color, and then after that you can go ahead and order straight from Ikea, which is really cool. And this is the current design of our kitchen that we have right now. It's good, right?
Island chair.
And the and these are tombaraj.
These are the tombar.
And the these are the
heating elements.
So yeah, that is the one feature here in IKEA that you may not know about, but it's really helpful and convenient for when you want to plan out your kitchen renovation project. And over here you have a bunch of different cabinet doors and colors and finishings that you can have. I think we went with a white, not entirely sure which one. It could be this one in our design, but all of this can be changed. I really like the idea of having like glass doors as well, and some opaque one. And then I think over here you have all of your fixtures, so your ovens and your microwaves, so we can plan out later which fixtures, if we do want to change them, would go with our dream kitchen. But I think we are gravitating towards like a gas cooktop. Maybe not this one, but something like this. Definitely we don't want this one, because as you know, Asian cooking, you really need to cook with gas for it to taste good. Ooh, we like the sink too. This will be good like to wash the vegetables and stuff like that. What is this one called? Norwegian.
169.
Yeah. Nice. Alright guys, so we are coming towards the end of IKEA now, and I think we were able to see all of the showrooms, the kitchen showrooms that we wanted to see, and we got a lot of cool ideas as well for our dream kitchen. So I think we're gonna start heading out of IKEA now. So I'm sure in the future we will be sharing with you our updates on our kitchen renovation project, so do watch out for future videos on that. But yeah, for now I think we're gonna start heading out of IKEA now. It is getting very late, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed sharing the day with us, and enjoyed looking around for kitchen renovation ideas. So yeah, have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and we will see you in the next video. Bye! Sawadee ka!